Welcome to my webinar on budgeting hacks. Managing your finances doesn't have to be stressful. I'm excited to share 4 simple budget hacks that are easy to understand and implement. So, stick with me until the end, and I promise you'll walk away with actionable tips you can use right away. Let's go. The 50/30/20 rule is a simple and effective budgeting method that helps you manage your money by dividing your after-tax income into 3 main categories: needs, wants, and savings/debt repayment. 50% for needs. This category covers your essential living expenses, which should take up no more than half of your income. These include things like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, insurance, and transportation. These are the non-negotiable expenses that keep your day-to-day life running smoothly. If you're spending more than 50% on needs, you may need to reevaluate your fixed expenses to cut back. 30% for wants. Allocate 30% of your income to your wants, non-essential expenses that add joy and comfort to your life. This could include dining out, entertainment, hobbies, shopping, or vacations. The key here is to indulge in these things without overspending, so you can still enjoy life while maintaining financial stability. 20% for savings and debt repayment. The remaining 20% should be dedicated to building your financial future. This includes savings for goals like retirement, an emergency fund, or a big purchase. It's also where you focus on paying off debt like credit cards or student loans. Prioritize high-interest debt first to save money in the long run. Automating this part of your budget ensures consistent contributions toward your future. The 50/30/20 rule is a flexible framework that makes budgeting simple and sustainable. It helps you ensure that your needs are met, your financial goals are progressing, and you still have room to enjoy your hard-earned money. This method balances financial responsibility and enjoying life in the present. No-spend day, the day your wallet or purse takes a vacation. A no-spend day is exactly what it sounds like, a day where you commit to not spending any money on non-essential purchases. Think of it as giving your wallet a well-deserved break. Instead of buying that daily coffee or splurging on takeout, you pause and enjoy what you already have. Some benefits of this method are: 1. Boosts savings. Every dollar you don't spend stays in your pocket, simple as that. 2. Breaks spending habits. It helps you realize just how often you reach for your card without thinking. 3. Increases mindfulness. You become more aware of your spending, which can lead to smarter financial choices over time. 4. Increased feelings of accomplishment. When you see how much you've saved, you'll feel like a budgeting genius. Steps to implement this method are: 1. Pick your day. Choose a day of the week that works best for you, such as a weekday when you're less likely to shop or dine out. 2. Plan ahead. Prepare your meals, coffee, and entertainment at home so you won't be tempted to spend on conveniences like takeout or streaming rental. 3. Avoid temptation. Stay out of stores, turn off shopping notifications, and skip online browsing to make sure you don't accidentally spend. 4. Track your success and celebrate. After each no-spend day, note how much you saved by not spending on unnecessary items. Use this as motivation to continue the habit and watch your savings grow over time. Now celebrate how much you saved and give yourself a little mental high five. Now go ahead and give your wallet or purse a mini staycation. Palm tree. Automate spare change, the effortless saving trick you didn't know you needed. The automate spare change method is like having a little piggy bank in your pocket that saves money every time you buy something. Apps like Acorns, Chime, or Rocket Money round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and automatically save or invest the difference for you. You're saving without even trying. Some benefits of this method are: 1. Effortless savings. You'll barely notice a few cents missing, but your savings account sure will. 2. Builds good habits. Without thinking about it, you're consistently saving, making it easier to reach financial goals. 3. Small change adds up. You'll be amazed how rounding up 35 cents on a coffee here and 80 cents on lunch there can grow over time. 4. No pain, all gain. You don't have to sacrifice big purchases or fun experiences, just let the spare change do the heavy lifting. You can implement this method by: choose your app. Sign up for apps like Acorns, Chime, or Capital, they do the heavy lifting. Be sure to do your own research for an app that best fits your needs. Then you will need to link your account, connect your debit or credit card, so the app tracks your purchases. Next, activate RoundUps, enable the roundup feature, and every time you make a purchase, it rounds to the nearest dollar, putting the extra change into savings or investments. Last but least, watch it grow. Sit back and enjoy watching those spare pennies turn into real savings over time. Bonus tip: for a little extra boost, some apps let you multiply your roundups by 2x or even 3x. It's like getting bonus savings without feeling the pinch. In no time, you'll realize that small change adds up faster than you thought. The cash envelope method, old school budgeting with a modern twist. The cash envelope method is like budgeting with a built-in spending brake. Instead of swiping your card all over town, you withdraw cash for different spending categories, like groceries, entertainment, etc., stash it in labeled envelopes, and once it's gone, it's gone. This method helps you stay disciplined and mindful of where your money goes. Some of the benefits of this method are: 1. No more overspending. When the envelope's empty, that's your signal to stop. No card swiping means no sneaky extra purchases. 2. Mindful spending. Physically seeing the cash leave your envelope makes you think twice before making impulsive buys. 3. Staying on budget. You allocate funds ahead of time for specific categories, so you're in control of where every dollar goes. 4. Debt-free shopping. Spending cash keeps you from racking up credit card debt on those small, it's only $5 purchases that add up fast. The steps to implement this method are: 1. Set your budget. Break down your monthly expenses into categories like groceries, dining out, fun, and gas. 2. Withdraw cash. Take out the amount of cash you've budgeted for each category. 3. Label your envelopes. Create an envelope for each spending category and label them, e.g., groceries, dining out. 4. Use only the cash. When you go shopping or out to eat, use the cash from the designated envelope. Once the envelope is empty, that's it for the month. Need some extra motivation? Watch your leftover cash at the end of the month pile up. You can roll it over to next month's envelope or add it to your savings as a little reward. It may feel a little old school, but the cash envelope method has a way of making your money work for you, without the digital temptation of overspending. Wrapping it up, your path to financial success starts now. 50/30/20 rule, the blueprint for balance. This rule keeps your spending in check by dividing your money into needs, wants, and savings. It's simple, it's effective, and best of all, it's flexible. If you follow this formula, you'll feel like you're finally in control of your finances, because you are. No spend day, the wallet's favorite holiday. Take a break from spending and give yourself a no-cost, guilt-free day. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. By adding this easy habit into your weekly routine, you'll see how fun saving can actually be. Start with one day, and watch those extra dollars pile up. Automate spare change, effortless savings. Who knew your spare change could do so much? With apps like Acorns or Chime, you're building savings automatically without lifting a finger. It's one of the easiest hacks out there, so why not start today? Let your spare change work behind the scenes while you enjoy the benefits. Cash envelope method, spend smarter, not more. The cash-in-hand approach keeps you mindful of where every dollar is going. Once the envelope's empty, that's it. It's an old-school method that never fails to keep spending in check, and you'll quickly feel the difference in your bank account. Your next step, start today. Don't overthink it, just pick one method and go for it. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment to get started. These hacks are easy, practical, and designed to make budgeting feel less stressful and more empowering. Small changes today can lead to big wins tomorrow. You've got this. Thank you for watching. I truly hope these tips have helped you feel more confident about taking control of your finances. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Your support helps me continue bringing valuable content to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you stay connected and get notified of more helpful financial tips and other great content I'll be sharing. Thanks so much for visiting my channel, and many blessings on your financial journey.